Hi everyone, there is a new update by Meta. So we now have version 2.3 here. You can see the release notes here. I have them on a side, so it's easier. As you can notice, there are not many updates, only 4 of them. And let's start from the top. So in settings, let me close here, put it here. In settings here, if you scroll down, you have display and brightness. And here you can change your appearance. You can select light or dark theme. Unfortunately, what they specify in the release notes is that you can do that. So you can switch without restarting the device. But as you can see, it asks me to restart. So once again, there is something about restarting that it doesn't work quite well. But yeah, if you notice that you don't have the same, but you actually can switch without restarting, let me know, because I don't know actually how to make it happen. To me, is like before. Second topic. So in the second topic, basically if you go in, of course, the settings, here they say open settings and select storage, but they miss a step. So if you're not familiar with the settings, storage is not here. Storage is hidden in general. Here it is. Sometimes they miss some steps here. So what is this? This is the storage of your headset, so you can see all the applications that you installed. You can see when, and you can see also how much space they occupy in your headset. So you can see exactly the megabyte or gigabytes of storage of each app. And you can delete them from here. You can order by type. So if it is an app, if it is an image, a video, downloads something in this is an application, but not the official ones. So for example, if you upload an app through the side quest, and you can also order them by name or size. The update is this. So you can enable this and it will offload apps, unused apps. What does it mean? In this list, there will be some applications that you don't use. And in case you don't use them since a long time, it will automatically delete them to save space on your headset. So you can download more applications. Now, I don't have this problem because I have more than one headset and I didn't set up many games here. So I can toggle off. Now, the third one is a bit difficult to explain in this video, so I won't. But basically, they improved the pass-through. So the pass-through is what you see, not now, but when you can see your room. That is called pass-through. And they say that they improve it because there are less dialogue interruptions now. Regarding the fourth one, now I have the controllers. If I double tap on the controllers, I should have hand tracking, and I can grab panels. Theoretically, now it's not working. Okay, now it's working. So I can grab panels with hand tracking, which was possible also before, but they say now is smoother. And by the way, you should be able to have this if you have the tracking enabled. So in settings, you scroll down, you select tracking, and you enable here and here. And that's pretty much it. That's all these are all the updates. I was expecting a little bit more, to be honest, but yeah. This is it. See you in another video. Bye.